Naomi Home presents the Sarah DIY Sofa Collection Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This DIY collection has a versatile system that allows you to transform your furniture into an accent chair, ottoman, sectional. You name it, the more pieces you have, the more options you get. To get started, attach 4 legs onto each base piece by using a washer and a bolt per leg. Now, connect a leg onto each backrest and each of your left and right arms pieces. Use a washer and a bolt to attach each leg. Gently hammer in a leg protector into each of your legs. Attach 2 L connectors into each backrest and each arm piece by using 2 of the smaller bolts per each L connector. To assemble a sofa chair, connect a backrest and 2 arm pieces onto your base like so. Place the back cushion against the backrest and you made a sofa chair. To transform your furniture piece, start by placing each sofa base in the desired location and lock them in place by using the U connectors. Then add your backrest and arm pieces onto your base. Place your back cushions and there you have it. Now you know how to assemble and change up your pieces for the Sarah DIY Sofa Collection. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.